In this video, I will help you find the best Vitamix blender in 2024. Links to all the products we mentioned in this video will be listed in the description. Let's get started. Number 5. Vitamix 5200, best for smoothies. When it comes to making delicious and nutritious smoothies, the Vitamix 5200 is an absolute game changer. This blender has completely revolutionized my smoothie making experience with its powerful motor and versatile features. With the Vitamix 5200, I can effortlessly blend a variety of ingredients into a smooth and creamy concoction that's bursting with flavor. One of the things that sets the Vitamix 5200 apart from other blenders is its powerful motor. With the 2-horsepower motor, this blender can easily pulverize even the toughest ingredients, like frozen fruits and vegetables. This means that I can create smoothies that aren't only delicious but also packed with all the nutrients and vitamins that my body needs. Another great feature of the Vitamix 5200 is its variable speed control. This allows me to adjust the speed of the blender to achieve the perfect consistency for my smoothies. Whether I want a thick and creamy texture or a lighter and more liquid consistency, the Vitamix 5200 can deliver. The large 64-ounce container of the Vitamix 5200 is perfect for making smoothies in large batches. This means that I can easily prepare smoothies for the whole family or make extra for later. The container is also made of high-quality BPA-free plastic, which ensures that my smoothies are safe and free from any harmful chemicals. Number 4. Vitamix V1200, best for versatility. After experiencing the incredible smoothie making capabilities of the Vitamix 5200, I was eager to explore the next level of versatility with the Vitamix V1200. And let me tell you, this blender didn't disappoint. The V1200 is like a culinary magician, capable of turning any ingredient into a culinary masterpiece. With its variable speed control and pulse feature, the V1200 allows you to easily adjust the texture of your creations. Whether you want a smooth puree or a chunky salsa, this blender has got you covered. And the best part, it's all done in a matter of seconds. No more slaving away with a knife and cutting board. Just throw your ingredients in the V1200 and watch it work its magic. But the versatility of the V1200 doesn't stop there. This blender also comes with a self-cleaning feature. Simply add a drop of dish soap and some warm water and let the V1200 clean itself. It's like having your own personal dishwasher but without the hassle. And let's not forget about the V1200's sleek and stylish design. With its brushed stainless steel finish and compact size, this blender is a beautiful addition to any kitchen. It's like having a piece of art that also happens to make delicious food. Number 3. Vitamix 7500, liquidy foods. The Vitamix 7500 is the ultimate blender for creating smooth and liquidy foods that will leave your taste buds in awe. With its powerful motor and sharp blades, this blender can effortlessly transform even the toughest ingredients into silky smooth concoctions. Whether you're craving a velvety soup, a refreshing smoothie, or a creamy sauce, the Vitamix 7500 has got you covered. Picture this: you toss in some ripe, juicy strawberries, a handful of ice cubes, and a splash of coconut milk into the blender. With a quick press of a button, the blades start whirling, effortlessly breaking down the ingredients into a luscious, vibrant smoothie. The result is a perfectly blended, velvety texture that slides down your throat, refreshing your senses with every sip. But it doesn't stop there. The Vitamix 7500's variable speed control allows you to customize the consistency of your creations. Whether you prefer a smooth puree or a slightly chunky soup, this blender can deliver. You have the power to create endless possibilities, from silky smooth soups to perfectly emulsified dressings. Now let's not forget about the self-cleaning feature. After you've indulged in your liquidy masterpiece, simply add a drop of dish soap and warm water to the blender and let it do the work for you. No more scrubbing or soaking required. Number 2. Vitamix E310, best for compact blending. Compact blending has never been easier than with the Vitamix E310, a powerful and versatile blender that packs a punch despite its small size. This blender may be compact, but it doesn't skimp on performance. With a 1.4 horsepower motor, it can handle tough ingredients like ice and frozen fruits with ease. Plus, the variable speed control allows you to achieve the perfect texture for your smoothies, soups, and more. One of the standout features of the Vitamix E310 is its compact design. It's perfect for small kitchens or for those who don't have a lot of counter space. The blender measures just 11 inches tall, so it can easily fit under cabinets or be stored away when not in use. But don't let its size fool you. This blender can still hold up to 48 ounces of liquid, making it great for blending small to medium-sized batches. The Vitamix E310 also comes with a sturdy 48-ounce container that's made from BPA-free Eastman Triton copolyester. This durable material is designed to withstand the toughest ingredients and is also dishwasher safe for easy cleaning. The container is also equipped with a spill-proof vented lid, so you can blend without worrying about making a mess. Number 1. Vitamix A3500. Best for noise control. As we venture into the realm of noise control with the Vitamix A3500, prepare to be amazed by how this blender tackles the challenge of blending without the disruptive hum that plagues many other models. Imagine a blender that quietly whirs in the background, allowing you to carry on a conversation or listen to your favorite tunes without interruptions. The key to the A3500's noise control lies in its advanced technology and design. Equipped with a powerful motor and sound dampening features, this blender ensures a smooth and quiet blending experience. The motor is specifically engineered to reduce noise, while the blender's sleek design minimizes vibrations, further reducing the overall sound output. But how does it achieve such impressive noise control without compromising on performance? The A3500 utilizes a combination of sound-deadening materials and strategic placement of components to muffle noise. The result is a blender that blends with precision and power, all while keeping noise levels to a minimum. Visualize the A3500 in action, the blades effortlessly pulverizing ingredients, the motor silently humming, and the blender container securely in place, all without a disruptive hum. It's like having your own personal sous chef, quietly working away in the background, allowing you to focus on creating delicious recipes and enjoying the process. And with that being said, we reached the bottom of this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you on the next one. Peace out.